disturbing thing that is happening in Tamil Nadu election is competitive corruption, which is being declared as a policy in the manifestos being issued by leading parties. And they are saying they will give this free, give this free, give this free, mixies, grinder, washing machine, refrigerator, laptop, everything free. They are making Tamil Nadu and Tamil race as a slave beggar race. Because when you get everything free, you will never want to work. So Tamil Nadu is facing a situation where you get free rice to eat, you have cheap liquor to drink, and money is available, everything is free. So why do you work? If you want to destroy a race, the best way is to make them not to work. So the political parties in Tamil Nadu is out to destroy the Tamil race through this competitive corruption and bribery announced in their election manifestos. They must be ashamed. These political parties must immediately withdraw these manifestos. They are humiliating, shaming, reducing the people of Tamil Nadu, the Tamil race, as a beggar race. So we are opposing it tooth and nail. We have now registered our strong protest with the Election Commission of India, and we are going to take further action to create awakening among the people that please reject all these fellows who are offering this competitive. First of all, I will request the political parties through this means that they must immediately withdraw this rotten effort to make Tamil race a beggar race. They must declare schemes to make people productive, create more jobs, create more entrepreneurial working opportunities, so that people can earn by themselves, have their dignity, have their self-respect, and feed their children and their family with the money they earn, educate them and clothe them with the money they earn every time. Putting this thing forward and begging the state for rice, begging the state for sari, dhoti, is a shame on the entire Tamil race, and we will not allow that to happen, and we will take the forum, will put all our efforts. We have already registered our very strong protest. In fact, the Election Commission should immediately act. It is illegal. It is plain bribery. A public document, a manifesto is a public document, and it is put up as a policy of the political party when they come to power. When you are offering all this free, you are offering bribe. You are offering allurement. You are offering inducements, which is bribe. That means you are conspiring already. So Election Commission must take that view. Not that you see it has to take place only after the elections. What can we do? No. You are bribing. You are telling them I will bribe you. Publicly you are telling them I will bribe you. I will corrupt you. And that must be prevented. The second aspect of it is all this being done without any kind of examination. The finance department or the government officials have not at all examined any of this. This all turn out to be cheating and deceiving people because there are no funds available. They have not made any examination where they can afford all this. Second. Third is most important. If at all money is coming, this money is to come from the liquor sale. By destroying the health and well-being of the people, poor people, money is sucked from them every day. For instance, I will tell you one simple example. One laborer who is earning 120 rupees a day, on an average buys 1 quarter. 1 quarter is 70 rupees. And 70 rupees a quarter almost every day is buying. Out of that, the cost of liquor and the bottle is only about 10 rupees. 60 rupees is the tax which goes to the government, excise and tax. That means he is paying every day 60 rupees to the government. You calculate it for the whole year. And this 14,000 crores, more than 75-80% the revenue is received only from these poor, miserable people. It is from their money only you are, from their blood, from their money, from their health only you are giving all these freebies. And in the process, by taking this liquor and eating this low calorie, low nutrition rice, the health of the people are being destroyed. And men are dying faster than young widows are being created. Nutrition level is very low. So all this damage is being caused because of the liquor being sold. Tamil Nadu is the only state in the whole country where retail liquor is being sold by the state. Okay, so this Because from that money they are giving all this freebies, so isn't there is all the more it must be contempt.